Do you have a tax problem? Is the IRS or state sending scary letters, even visiting your home or business? Are so-called tax resolution companies, oh, by the way, most are actually a scam, sending you letters and calling you day and night trying to sell you on their services? Do yourself a huge favor. Don't talk to anyone before you talk to the tax lawyers at Faith Law Firm. Our success stories over the last 20 years are too numerous to list here. We eliminate tax debt using little-known federal laws and clever strategies. We prepare and file unfiled tax returns, sometimes going back decades. We often get penalties and interest eliminated in one phone call. We protect business owners and get them out of hot water. At Faith Law Firm, our focus is giving people with tax problems peace of mind. First, let's get some items out of the way. You can't ignore your tax problems. The IRS and the state can garnish your wages, drain your bank account, and take your property. So it's vital you take action right now. You could try to deal with it yourself, yet the tax laws are complicated, and the IRS will not reveal all the little-known tax solutions available to you. And don't count on those tax resolution companies you hear on the radio and see on TV either. They're trying to sell you, not advise you. That's why with most tax resolution companies, you end up worse than when you started, and you just wasted thousands of dollars on their worthless help. That's where Faith Law Firm is different, very different. After all, a tax problem is a legal problem, and as tax lawyers, we do more because we're ethically obligated to protect our client. Plus, legally, you're protected by an ironclad attorney-client privilege. Anything you tell our law firm, we can't disclose to the IRS. Compare this to a tax resolution company or CPA, where there is no privilege and they can be forced to spill the beans about what you've told them. That can be absolute disaster for you. That's not what we want for you, and I'm sure it's not what you want for yourself. Once you hire us, the vast majority of our clients never have to talk to the IRS again. We do the talking for you and protect your rights. We routinely meet face-to-face with the IRS and the state. That's huge. We know the nooks and crannies of the tax code. We know the IRS playbook, chapter and verse. We know how to legally play the tax system and win for our clients. In some cases, we take the IRS to court when we see you being treated unfairly. Fact is, we almost always win against the government because we use the law, we use the courts, and we know the tricks of the trade. For example, we get a copy of your secret master tax file, so we know exactly what the IRS knows about your situation. And often, they're keeping information from you that could quickly solve your tax problem. Another example, our clients often eliminate 100% of their personal income tax using little-known federal laws that the IRS and tax resolution companies will never tell you about. The truth is, it's not in the government's best interest to tell you about that federal law, and the tax resolution companies are not licensed to use that federal law. Keep in mind that tax resolution companies are also not licensed to go into court and turn the tables on the government. We are licensed. The truth is, there are many tax solutions we offer that the tax resolution companies simply can't. Call us today and we'll explain all the different solutions we offer to wipe out tax debt, stop collection, file unfiled tax returns, and win IRS audits. By the way, you should know our fees are results-based. We normally don't charge a retainer. Rather, we spell out in writing what we'll do for you and do it. Or you get a refund. What could be more fair? So call us now. If we decide to work together, we'll start your case with no upfront fee. We'll get in between you and the IRS and request your master tax file. We are Faith Law Firm. We are tax lawyers. We are results-based.